New this morning, students at a couple area high schools are learning some lessons that will hopefully last a lifetime.
Now they're finding out how to keep their finances in order. KCRA 3's Mike Teselle joins us live from Citrus Heights to explain why this course is so valuable.
You know, Ty and Tony, when I was in school, if I wanted some real world experience at school about learning about finances and business, I had to work at the school store. Well, I guess you could say what they're doing here is just a little bit more comprehensive than that. Take a look. This school, Mesa Verde High School, as well as Rio Linda High School, actually have a working, real-life, safe credit union inside the school, and it's the students who run the branch during the school day here at Mesa Verde. It's all part of a 3-year immersive program in business, banking, and finances. But aside from giving teens real work experience in the financial world, the other big benefit here is that this partnership with Safe Credit Union is teaching students how to understand finances, like the power of saving and interest and the drawbacks of debt and overspending. Listen.
It definitely helped me out a lot with learning how to save, how much money I make, percentages of how much I should, put away versus what I can spend. So it's definitely an eye-opening experience.
And it's not just eye-opening and a lesson for those students who are in the business course, but another added benefit to this is that those students are learning finances at a level where they're actually comfortable in teaching their peers, other students, about the importance of things like saving and avoiding unnecessary debt or overspending. Safe Credit Union says since they started this program, more than 24 student interns have gone on to get real-world, real-life jobs with Safe Credit Union. Live at Mesa Verde High School this morning, Mike Teselle, KCRA 3 News.
Well, future Wall Street tycoons could be preparing right now for the future, or as KCRA 3's Mike Teselle reports, at the very least, those students are becoming better prepared for basic finances once they graduate.
And what is the difference between...
So it's one thing to learn about the basics of finance in a classroom, but what's happening inside Mesa Verde High? Well, I guess you could say they've taken financial learning to a whole nother level because they believe
all students deserve to know the power of saving and investing, and all students need to know the circumstances and the outcomes of debt.
And this is the way Mesa Verde High is driving home those financial lessons. This school is one of the few that has an actual working bank, a Safe Credit Union, run by students inside their school and open during the school day.
Yet I was very surprised by all the things that I got to experience.
In fact, for several years now, Mesa Verde, as well as Rio Linda High, have partnered with Safe Credit Union to give students real-world experience and lessons in banking, accounting, and money management while operating a credit union open to the school student body. The results?
It definitely helped me out a lot with learning how to save, how much money I make, percentages of how much I should, put away versus what I can spend. So it's definitely an eye-opening experience.
It taught me how to be more careful with how I spend my money and how I take care of it and stuff.
Since the beginning of this program, Safe Credit Union says now it has hired more than 24 student interns for real-life jobs with Safe Credit Union. At Mesa Verde High School, Mike Teselle, KCRA 3 News.
SAFE has been a part of the school partnership program since 2005. It's great for those kids.
Yeah, it's a neat program. It really is.